This is a P08 German Luger. In this video, I will show you how to disassemble this particular pistol for cleaning, and most importantly, how to put it back together. Okay, so whenever you disassemble any type of firearm, you make sure that the chamber is empty, and by doing that, you open it up and ensure that there's no round in the chamber. Okay, as you see, it's empty. So in this particular gun, you release the magazine and you put the hammer back and press the trigger. You know that this is empty, so press the trigger to release the cock. Okay, so now you're ready for disassemble. What you do is you press the you put the tip of the barrel in your base of your thumb and your middle finger in the trigger housing, like so. If you notice, there's a play there, see? Okay, when you press down on it, this particular lever, you put it down and the whole thing should come apart. Start with this cover right here. Okay, the whole thing should come apart. Okay, in some cases you want to stop here and clean it, but you can actually take it a step further without too much trouble. If you notice, there's a pin right here, okay, right there, and if you press your index finger on that, it should come right out. Once that's out, the toggle mechanism should come out. Then you have the barrel exposed for thorough cleaning. Okay, you can actually disassemble this further, but I really don't suggest that. It's going to be really very difficult to put back together. Okay, so once you clean it, you reverse the process by putting this back, sliding it through. Okay, and to put the pin back, you have to line up the holes there. Okay, make sure that's in place correctly. And you see this this little hook here, this metal hook. This is very important. So what you do is you cock it, you put it back like this, and you have to slide the handle with the barrel upside down. Otherwise, this hook will catch. So it has to be upside down. Okay. So what you do is do that now. Well, maybe not. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, this doesn't have to be cocked back there. It could be like this. I think the best thing to do is put it back. And if it doesn't match correctly, then just play with it. Okay, but it should slide over there. Okay, but most importantly, see that metal hook I was telling you about right there. It has to catch right in that groove right there. It has to be right there. Okay, for the pistol to function properly, and then it should go all the way through. Okay, so just reversing the process. Remember that little play right there. Okay, everything's ready except the cover. Okay, and the cover goes in like this. This one first. Okay, and then again, using the base of your thumb and the middle of your middle finger in the trigger housing, push it and put this lever back, and that should do it. Okay, you got yourself an assembled German Luger.